NVTC universal remotes are versatile devices designed to control multiple electronic devices from a single remote control unit. These remotes can control various devices, including televisions, DVD players, and audio systems, eliminating the need for multiple separate remote controls. NVTC universal remotes use infrared technology to communicate with devices. When you press a button, the remote sends an infrared signal that the device receives and interprets. The infrared signals are invisible to the human eye, but carry specific codes that tell each device what function to perform. Each device brand and model has specific codes that the universal remote must be programmed with. These codes act like a language that allows the remote to communicate properly with your devices. For example, Samsung TVs might use codes like 0060 or 08112, while LG devices use different codes like 0178 or 0700. There are three main methods to program your NVTC universal remote: direct code entry, auto search, and learning mode. Direct code entry involves manually entering a specific code from the device manual. Auto search lets the remote automatically cycle through codes until it finds the correct one. Learning mode allows the remote to learn functions directly from your original device remote. Newer NVTC universal remote models include advanced features like voice control and smart home integration, making them even more convenient and versatile. Voice control allows you to operate devices using spoken commands, while smart home integration connects your remote to broader home automation systems. Understanding these fundamental concepts of NVTC universal remotes, from infrared technology and device codes to programming methods and modern features, provides the foundation for successful setup and operation. Programming your NVTC remote begins with direct code entry. This method requires you to manually enter a specific code for your device. First, insert batteries into your remote and turn on the device you want to control. Then press and hold the device button on your remote. Next, enter the code from your device's code list. You can find these codes in your remote's manual or on the manufacturer's website. Finally, test the remote by pressing various buttons. If it works correctly, your programming is complete. If not, try a different code from the list. The second programming method is auto search. This allows the remote to automatically find the correct code for your device. Turn on your device, then press and hold the device button on your remote. Next, press the Search or Setup button to begin the automatic search process. The remote will cycle through codes until your device turns off. When this happens, immediately press any button to lock in the correct code. If your remote isn't working properly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve common issues. First, try a different code from your device's code list. Different models may require different codes, even from the same manufacturer. Check for obstructions between the remote and device. The infrared signal needs a clear line of sight to work properly. Replace the batteries if the remote is still not working. Weak batteries are a common cause of remote control problems. As a last resort, reset the remote to factory settings and start the programming process again. This clears any incorrect settings that may be causing issues. Remember that code lists vary by remote model, so always consult your manual or the manufacturer's website. Also check compatibility specifications before purchasing to ensure your remote will work with your devices.